My name's Avram. I'm a junior recipe developer at HelloFresh. A dish that I've developed for HelloFresh that I've had a blast doing is the salmon poke bowl. I did a salmon poke bowl with some pickled vegetables and then a little slaw. And this is something that's near and dear to my heart back home in Alaska. We get a lot of fresh salmon during the summer months. Day of, we've caught it, chop it up into little bite-sized cubes. And the way I sort of pivoted here with HelloFresh is pretty similar marinade. It's kind of a sweet soy flavor profile on the salmon. Let that sit and marinate for a little while. And then rather than having raw fish, we fry it up in a pan. Get some nice ginger scallion rice going underneath that. Pickle your veg. So in this case, we've used radish, but I think really any veg works here. And then a little slaw with some red cabbage or cabbage and carrot mix. Some of the flavors that come out have got to be that lovely, acidy, vinegary pickle. With this rice, you get that sort of spicy pop with the ginger and the fragrant scallion in there as well. And then you get that nice sort of sweet and savory mix on the salmon with that sweet soy glaze.